What's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. Really appreciate you all tuning back into the live stream. And yes, before you tune into the live stream, just remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. All right, so today. What a great day. I can't complain. 1 second here. I do want to tell the team members we're on live too. But yeah, other than that, I can't complain. Today was an amazing day. 1 second here. Going to tell the team members that we're on live. Let's see. TikTok live now at everyone. Pull up. Oh, I can't even spell right now. Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. So yeah, we caught what? POTR, had a little bit of Tesla too. Only one didn't end up working out, but you can easily see, and yes, this is what we had just this morning. So yeah, beautiful morning. Exactly what I needed. Exactly what the team needed. You can easily see, yes, this was the before here. I was waiting on this one this morning, so we even went over this in the morning. Hold on 1 second here. So yeah, as of right now, you know, for Aftermath, obviously we hit that final TP, but you can see also Tesla ended up doing his thing as well. Chart on NVIDIA. Yeah, we'll go over NVIDIA, no worries. Yo, Jose, thanks for liking the live stream. So yes, this morning, what did I see here? Clear move up, no consolidation. We ended up breaking under our bottom wall into this empty space there. Beautiful day, beautiful trade. You can see we tapped it literally perfectly. So yes, what I saw, of course, we had the empty space. We end up breaking under. We just flushed down, and I told the team members today, I was like, and this was what? Right before market even opened. You can easily see, yes. Let's see. You can pretty much see. Told the team members, keep an eye on POTR for puts. We had the trade. We knew what we wanted. We ended up breaking right at open. We had this full move down. It was great. You know, great day. I can't complain. Also, you can see what one of the members ended up doing already on it. Shout out to Amelia. You know, also, hold on. Give me a second. You can also see, shout out to Linda. Thank you guys. Yeah, it was a crazy day. Also, one more time. 1 second. Let's see. Where is it at? Shout out to Sonia as well. Crazy. So yeah, what a wild day. You can see, yes, this is the VIP chat. You can see, you know, the different members ended up getting there. Shout out to one of the members, you know, for hitting that trade with us. And yeah, beautiful setup. We saw, or at least I saw this. I knew what I wanted. My mind was pretty much already made up. So yeah, we ended up going into that. Yeah, it was great. All right, so that is on POTR. Let's keep on going. Let's go to, dude, yeah, the Qs is going wild. And like today, so I will be honest, I did end up posting this one. Hold on, where is this at? Inside of the Discord too. I didn't end up getting this one, but what I seen here was the empty space. We did have POTR, had a little bit Tesla, so couldn't end up getting in that one, but we ended up dropping below. So we had the empty space. So like I said this morning, what did I see here? We had this clear move up of no consolidation. Clear as day. And yes, we ended up having a nice top wall, bottom wall that needed to be broken. And we ended up breaking right below it. And yeah, we targeted to that downside there. Yeah, so yeah, that was pretty nice. Also where, hold on, let's see. So yeah, we'll be keeping an eye on these trades here. IWM looking pretty decent too. All right, so we'll see NVDA. I'm gonna leave that up. So yeah, we had a great day. Honestly, I see, you know, just a few setups too as well. All right, so it looks like that little move ended up happening here. Nothing crazy. What I'm looking at next, so let's see here. So let's go to a, oh wait, let's see. So that's on this 1 hour chart. All right. So what I can see, okay, I do like that 1 hour. Let me go to a 4 hour too. All right, so, okay, yeah, I do like the 1 hour a little bit better. What looks decent to me is this. And the same thing here. So we're at this, so right now we're at this 178. So the next point that I'm seeing that honestly doesn't look bad, Q puts, yo Myra, what's up? I will be honest, I did not end up getting into that those Q puts. So yeah, I did end up missing that. But we had POTR, and we did have a little bit of Tesla as well. So honestly, you know, and I did end up posting it inside the chat here too as well. You can see we ended up dropping, breaking all the way down and even further. So yeah, that move ended up happening great. The move I was really mainly focused on was POTR. You can see, and yeah, we ended up calling that out from the school drop-off time. Shout out to one of the members, shout out to the ladies. Also see, so that was on what, just one of the trades that we had, and shout out to A&M catching that too as well. And yeah, we post all the setups. Obviously this morning my eyes were pretty much focused on POTR. Told the team right before market opened, 2 minutes before, keeping an eye on POTR for those puts. And we did exactly that. You see also, definitely should size up. POTR was fantastic today. Thanks. So yeah, wild. All right, so yeah, let's go over this. Let me stop yapping. I know we had, you know, a great morning so far. Now what I'm seeing here is this. Let's see. So we do have a nice Potter box here. This is what needs to be broken next in order for us to target into this empty space here. I get it, not, you know, not the craziest move, nothing too wild about this, but I still like it. What looks really good. What happened? Why is everything gapping down? I will be honest, and yeah, I will just be completely honest with that question. I am not sure. It could have been some news. It could have been literally anything. But obviously, yes, we look at the news. That is also a factor with our trades inside the Discord. But for me, at least, I look for the empty space. So I don't care, you know, if we are inside the box. I'm just waiting for that break. And today, it showed me that. Obviously, we wanted this, what, just yesterday, the day before. But personally, I'm ready for, you know, either situation. And hopefully we can get a few more trades. Maybe one more, honestly. If not, then I'll just wait for the swings. NVDA, same thing here. We have a box here. We have this area of consolidation. What I'm waiting for is if we can get this break under this bottom wall here. I would be looking for the next resistance, which would be down to this 176. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing there. Obviously, no entry, not telling anyone to get into any of these plays. So yes, you all have to do your own research. All right, so that is on NVDA, IWM, nothing there yet. AMZN, 5 minutes. All right, so we'll see how this plays out too. Honestly, yeah, that looks really good. All right, so we'll keep on going. Yo, Glock, thanks for sharing the live stream. Appreciate it. Wait, did you look at SPY? I did not look at SPY. No. I'm gonna leave that up. Maybe I'll add an alert there. Sorry for the distraction. No worries, Myra. Good to see you once again. Let's see. TXN. All right, cool. I'm gonna leave. All right, so TXN, perfect, perfect. So as for me, so for SPY, oh wait, hold on. There might be something here. Maybe you're right. Hold on, give me a second here. 2 hour. I do like that 2 hour a little bit better. 1 hour looks decent. All right, so this is how I'll do it. So as of right now, what am I seeing here? This is the same thing. Clear move up, no consolidation. I like it. I like it a lot. We do have a nice top wall, nice bottom wall here. As you can see, this bottom wall is our wall that needs to be broken in order for us to go to the downside. So as of right now, where are we at? I mean, it looks like we're trying to break outside the box, but I personally don't see any resistance till there. What I'm looking at is if we can get that nice break and closure under, I'm looking for the next resistance. So first CP will be that that imbalance area. And you know, it looks good, looks decent. As of right now, gonna see how that ends up playing out. All right, so Amazon back to the box here. I wanted this 2 hour close. We'll have to see how that plays out. POTR, wow, perfect bounce. And yes, you can see, you know, what we did here. Shout out to A&M for that little play, and you can see we even posted that. So I post all my positions, obviously. Posted that in the lottos, but we were focused on POTR. That ended up doing great. Had a little bit of Tesla, nice little scalp there. But yeah, you can see. And I told the members what I was looking for. We ended up getting it. You can see just today, 952. What one member did just on that POTR play. And also another member here. POTR wasn't fantastic today. So yeah, it was great. I can't even lie. It was really decent. All right, so AMZN is back into that box there. We will see how things play off there. SPY looks really good too. So yeah, I'll keep an eye on this too. I do want this 2 hour close, but we'll see how that 1 hour is. Yo, Yara, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. I haven't seen Pot on TikTok lately. I think he's on vacation, if I'm not mistaken. Yo, Moneybags, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. Make sure to give him a follow. He'll be back too as well. Alright, so it looks like, dang, AMZN SPY looks really good though. So yeah, what I'm looking at, what I'm seeing here, same exact thing. We do have, you know, this empty space under us. 1 hour closer would be a little bit different though. But as you can see, if we can continue and get this, you know, nice little move down, we do have this empty space under us. So yeah, from the entry, so just, you know, same way how we caught what POTR, literally the same way. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get into any of these plays. So yes, you all have to do your own research. So yes, and if you do want to join the Discord, just make sure to do your own research as well. All right, so. And sorry for this bad music. I know it's terrible. Actually, yeah, let's change this song really quickly. All right, cool. Anyways, so POTR did this thing. AMZN looking decent. SPY, I think we might get that pushed down. 6 seconds. All right. So what, we closed in that 1 hour, but I do like that 2 hour too as well. If we do continue, we do have more empty space under us, which is pretty wild. AMZN, we did close on that 1 hour too. Chart, not the 3 hour, 2 hour. Honestly, it looks really good. SPY, I think we might end up finishing that move there. Potentially. like that 640. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get into any of these plays. So yes, you all have to do your own research before doing anything, of course. Yeah, that's wild. If we can continue, it looks good. It doesn't look too bad though. And no, not telling anyone to get into any plays. So yes, please do your own research before doing anything. Oh yeah, I think we'll tap it now. Definitely a nice trim there, if I'm not. There we go. Yeah, I think we'll go ahead and get that tap too. There we go. Yeah, close enough. Close enough for me. Yeah, that's wild. We had a well, dang, that's crazy. If we can continue, I get it. You know what? Literally like 5 cents, 4 cents away from my first TP. But for me, yeah, close enough. I'm gonna definitely, you know, end up seeing what the runners can do. Oh, that's wild. I do want that perfect tap though. So yes, what I saw here, empty space. We did have that nice close under too as well. We broke under this ball here. Yeah, pretty nice, pretty nice. Yo, Marvin, what's up? What's up? Good morning, man. Good to see you, bro. So yeah, what a crazy morning for the team and I. And yes, you can see what we did here. POTR before, at the after, hit my final TP. You can see what a few of the members ended up doing. This was just what, like literally like an hour, 30 minutes ago, or whatever. You can see what she did on there. Shout out to the ladies in the Discord as well. So yeah, crazy trades. And yeah, if the plays work, they work. If they don't, that's perfectly fine as well. But yeah, SPY, yeah, definitely was definitely a good move there. Alright, so we'll keep going here. SPY. Also, we'll take a look at some more trades. Did I swing plate yesterday? No, I did not swing plate yesterday. Netflix on the daily, weekly to the downside. All right, yeah, NFLX. I'm looking at IWM. If SPY wants to do it, you know. Oh, did I swing POTR? So, no, I didn't swing POTR yesterday. This was more of just this morning. Obviously, you know, what I saw. Yes, I could have, you know, taken a decent entry there, but this was just this morning, and I knew what I wanted. I told the team members this morning, you know, what I was looking for. We ended up doing just that. So we broke below. We ended up getting in. So yeah, this was just a morning play. So this was literally, what, a couple minutes before market ended up opening. Ended up going crazy. So I woke up at 6:30. No, I feel that sometimes, man. All right, so yeah, we'll go to the other trades as well. MSFT. Let's see. Hold on, give me a second here. Microsoft, also NFLX, and you can see, yeah, POTR ended up hitting that final TP perfectly. Yeah, it was a great trade. I can't complain at all, for sure. So 1 second here. Yo, appreciate everyone tuning into the other chat as well. Really appreciate it, guys and gals. All right, so what? TXN. We got to do MSFT. All right, cool. All right, so TXN. Let's take a look. Let's go to. Oh, okay. So, okay, I definitely see this right here, and honestly, this doesn't look bad. Ooh, that looks great. Maybe I can write this down. Whoever called this out, I love you. Let's see. What TXN? All right, yeah, that looks cool. Yeah, what I see here, empty space. Clear push down, no consolidation there. It looks like, I mean, it's pretty obvious, but we are outside of our top box or top level. So what I can see here is, yes, if we can continue, and personally, end of day doesn't look too bad, or that 4 hour. But yeah, if we can somehow continue, I do like up to this, what? Up to where I see the next resistance. Personally, I don't see any into this green candle. And yes, this can be considered another box. As you can see, yes, right now, entry to exit, middle of the move, we have this imbalance. So this is exactly what I'm looking for, what I'm looking at in order for me to go up to this upside. So, looks great, looks good. Do want to see if we can end up getting that. I will see how the end of the day brings. And honestly, you know, man, it's just been a great day. It's been a wild day. You can see what a few of the members ended up doing on some of the plays. And I even posted this one right after market open for the Qs. You can see what one member did there. Definitely should have sized up on this one. POTR was fantastic today, thanks. You can see, shout out to Amelia, shout out to, you know, also, let's see, where are we at? Thank you guys, shout out to Linda. You see what we did there. Also, hold on, give me 1 second here. More PLTR. So that little play that we had ended up being great. You can also see from the school drop off to the line. She made $3,000 just in that one play that we had. And I ended up telling the team this morning. And yes, I went over 1,000 stocks today. I went over, well, not 1,000, but I went over a lot of stocks today. This morning, I knew what I had my eye on was POTR. We ended up getting it. Told the team, probably some trim, ended up hitting that full target. You can see also the Qs, but you can see how fast that play ended up happening. So yeah, I get it. We go over a lot of plays, but I like to focus on 1 or 2 setups, and then, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, if the play works, cool. If it doesn't, that's fine. But when it does, you can see what we do here. So yeah, crazy day. Yo, thanks for the follows, really appreciate it. KM, hold on, let's see. So we did TXN, we got to go over KMX, UNH. Dude, yeah, the Qs went crazy today. Alright, so I do want to see, maybe I'll wait end of day for that, we'll see. Alright, hold on 1 second. Yeah, the Qs went absolutely wild. So, and we went over this morning. I even posted it in my VIP Discord inside the Lotto plays. Didn't get a chance to post. Was looking for puts. You can see we had the empty space. You can see, you know, the wall that we needed to break under. Obviously, we were under it. And then now, we ended up dropping. What I can see here next, and you know, see what one member ended up doing on that QQQ play. So yeah, I post all of my setups. Obviously, I'm only focusing on 1 or 2. What I can see now, personally, let's see. Well, okay, actually, okay, you know what? Maybe I do like something. So yeah, we ended up already dropping pretty wildly. But what looks good here is this. Clear move up, no consolidation. As you can see, we do have a what? Nice top all there. Yeah, decent bottom all here. So we have a nice Potter box. We're inside of more consolidation. As you can see, we're at that 571. So this bottom wall is going to be our most important wall that needs to be broken in order for us to continue to drop lower. So if we can, I'm looking for the next resistance. Personally, I would love to see if we can go to here. So, you know, it doesn't look bad there. 562. First TP would be that first TP. So we end up breaking above or below this bottom wall here. We do have this empty space that is currently below us. And honestly, we get that break, we can somehow continue to the downside. So yes, that little play that we, you know, yeah, called that in the lotto play too as well. Obviously, I will be honest, I didn't get into this one. I got into the POTR. I got into, you know, those Teslas. But I still posted those setups. I told the team members, you know, what I was focused on, which was those POTR puts. So you can see the before here also. And yes, I, you know, update the team, what I'm looking at. You can see the befores. When we actually hit the trades, boom, we hit those targets. The aftermath. And yeah, if the play hits, cool. If, you know, if I have to get stopped out of a play, that's fine. The only play that didn't want to work was what, Riot. And that was a really small play. So yeah, crazy day. All right, so let's see. Let's keep on going. UNH, and then also. Ooh, wait, hold on. So let's see. I will be honest, on this weekly chart, what I seen here, dang, those puts would have been crazy yesterday. We're at this 302s right now. So yes, we do have this empty space. Looks good, looks great. I do want that weekly closure above, but I'm also seeing, oh wow, yeah, that doesn't look bad. Hopefully you guys and gals see what I'm seeing, and if you don't, no worries. I see what that empty space looks good. What I'm also looking at is if these candles can somehow break under our bottom wall here. And yes, I get it, another box overlapping another box, which is perfectly fine. What I'm seeing now is if we break under this wall, I don't see any resistance down into this red candle here, which honestly looks really, really good. If you do, or if we can get, you know, break, first TP will be entry to the exit, the middle of the move, and that looks really good to me. So right now I'm just gonna wait, see if we can, you know, potentially get that. And it's just like all of our plays. What? Let's see, this POTR play, let's see really quickly. This play was from yesterday. So I wanted what? I wanted a swing on this one just yesterday, right? We could not get underneath our level. You can see I even called this out yesterday. This is what I wanted. We couldn't get it. I didn't get in. Obviously, once I seen us breaking under, we ended up getting in. You can pretty much see those final TPs ended up being hit. And yeah, we had to wait. So like if I gotta wait all day for a trade, that's fine, because once I do get in, obviously yes, I'll have to stop out here and there. Stop losses are perfectly normal, but once we do get in, you can see. And yeah, this is just from one of the members, just from today. So you know, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah, if I, you know, there's one play I had to get stopped out on, was Riot, and that was something very, very small, for me to grab something, you know, a little bit better. So as of right now, UNH, both ways we're still inside of consolidation. So I'm just gonna wait and see if we can get that entry. So that's on UNH. Also HIMS. Yeah, Blanca, no worries. Good to see you once again. SPX. Okay. And then Google. Yep, got you. All right, so my bad about the yapping. All right, so 1 second here. I'm going to get me some water. So, actually, I'm going to get me some soda. But anyways, I'll be right back. And yes, if you do want to join the Discord, you can join the free chat or the VIP chat. Links in the bio. Honestly, you can just join the free chat and see how you like it. But yeah, 1 second here. I'll be right back. Alright, so let's see. Alright, yeah, I'm back, guys. Don't forget about Netflix. Oh, yeah, so honestly, I do have to go over Netflix first. So, yeah, I was supposed to go over that. Oh, wow. You're right. Netflix does look really good. So, as of right now, what I'm looking at here is this. Clear move up, no consolidation here. This, this is exactly what I would want to this downside. Honestly, I would want to see if we can, 40 minutes left? I will look at the 24-hour too. So let's, hold on, give me a second here. Let's look at this 24-hour chart and let's see if we, all right, so 24-hour, okay, I like the 4-hour a lot better. A lot more structure that I can play with. Personally, I'm going to use these body wicks as my bottom wall. So yes, I'm going by points of contact. What I can see is if we can get that nice break and close under. I don't see any resistance to there. 1 second. Netflix. All right, cool. So yeah, we get that break under. Entry, exit, middle of the move. We have the imbalance. Looks like, yeah, we already, tried to tap it. We did that already. But we didn't get the close under. So I still like it. Honestly, I do want to see if we can get that end of day as well. Check the weekly. Yeah, gotcha, no worries. And yeah, even even the weekly looks even better too. So yeah, just step by step, that's just what I'm seeing. But oh yeah, we do also have that decent move to that downside if we can get it. So yeah, as of right now, let's see. I wish this was a, you know, a better wall, I will be honest. Nice top wall though. Bottom wall there. We can get that weekly close under this 1157 area. I will look for the next resistance. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get into any of these trades. So yes, you all have to do your own research. I am not in this position. I am not in this trade. So yes, please conduct your own research. But yeah, if we can, you know, it doesn't look too bad. So if it moves $100 when it comes down, you know what? So yeah, you know, it has a little move down. So if we do get that, obviously yes, you know, either the play works or the stop loss gets hit. That's just what I'm seeing. You know, I see the empty space. This is what I like. It doesn't look bad. So just like all of our plays, just how, you know, the members and I, just today, this morning, you can see Tuesday morning, how we caught this play. Same exact way. How we were able to get the cues. Obviously, I didn't get the cues, but a few of the members did. I could see I posted it in the chat. But anyways, how we're able to get things like this. Same way. This is just what I use. I use the same. So I use the POTTERBOX every single trade. Obviously, just my own analysis, of course. But yes, we see the empty space. We have the POTTERBOX that needs to be broken. We end up breaking under. I'm going to take the trade. If it hits, if it goes to my targets, cool, great, wonderful payday. If it doesn't, I'll stop out and find a new entry that, you know, will be nice. But obviously, yeah, POTR was nice, you know, to the members and I. You can see not just that one member there, but you can see, hold on, let's see. POTR, that's one member there. Shout out to Robin. Yeah, but yeah, it was a great day. I can't complain at all. All right, so that's on Netflix. Now we'll keep going to this other play here. So KMX. Let's go to this weekly chart and then let's break it down. Earnings is when? September. All right, cool. So as of right now, let's see. All right, it does look good. It does look decent. Maybe on a lower time frame. All right, so personally, yes, I do see that 24-hour. Also looking at this 4-hour too. We do have empty space up to there if we can get it. But yeah, the 24-hour does look pretty good too. So, but yeah, this is just a nice little clean move that I can see as well. So yeah, that's on KMX. Also, HIMS, we got to go over this. SPX as well. Also, the way the markets have been moving last week, I'm going to be bold as... Honestly, you know, for me, I mean, I'm just going to, you know, wait. Obviously, yes, you know, if you see the markets differently, that's perfectly fine too. But yeah, for me, I just wait for the, you know, for the plays, for the setups. And if they work, cool. The members and I, you know, will get paid. If not, then yeah, I'll just have to stop out. Yeah, so. All right, so right now, let's take a look here. So yeah, nice top wall there, nice bottom wall here. What I'm looking at is if we can get this nice break under this bottom wall here. So yes, we do have empty space. Looks like we already closed under though. So yeah, if we continue, I would look for the next resistance, which is all the way down to this red candle. So yes, entry, exit, middle of the move. We have exactly what we want, which is, you know, the empty space, which honestly looks really, really good. As you can see, we are still trying to get this push. So I would say this would take it's beautiful time if we do, you know, continue. So yeah, if it's on the weekly chart, I would say, and obviously yes, it could happen in the next hour, the next 5 minutes. But usually, you know, what I see, obviously you can see it differently, but yeah, it could possibly take a little bit more time since it's on a higher time frame. But yeah, if we're on like on a lower time frame, like Tesla, like for our day trades, they're going to be a little bit less time. Obviously, PLCR took no time at all. It did what it wanted, so yeah, it was great. You can see how we pretty much called out setups, and yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, so we'll keep on going. KMAX, MSFT. We got it. So we did him. So let's do SPX really quickly. All right, so SPX. So what I can see is we finally went down to this downside. So we broke under this wall. We toyed with it. We ended up dropping below, touching that imbalance finally. So that move is pretty much done. If we do continue, and no, I'm not in this play, not telling you guys to get into any of these plays. So yes, you all have to do your own research. But if we can continue to break below, I don't see any resistance down to this 6403 area. So yeah, looks good, looks decent. We are just at this imbalance here, so this is where price could potentially reverse. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing there. Doesn't look too bad. Microsoft went down. Let's see. Hold on 1 second here. Yo, that soda is so good. Alright, anyways. Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah, okay, I see. Looks like... Yeah, okay, yeah. Got it. So yeah, what I'm looking at here, and the same thing here, you know, it looks like we're pretty much already in it. But yes, we have this clear move up, no consolidation here. So this is what I will be targeting to this downside. All that I'm looking for, dang, I wish that was a better top ball, but we do have a nice, decent bottom wall here. So you can see, yes, body candle closing direct to the same price. This is where price is having a hard time getting under, or at least until now. If we can break below still, I do like that 506. From the entry to the exit, the middle of the move, we have exactly what we want. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Honestly, let's see. Oh, we did. So I will be honest, we ended up tapping it perfectly. We tapped the imbalance already, so this is why. Okay, so this is why we ended up bouncing there. We still could finish the move, but yeah, that's where price typically ends up rejecting. Obviously, like, I mean, POTR, we rejected a bit, but we ended up finishing that move. Not just yesterday. You can see the the plays from the day before. So yesterday, also, and yeah, we called Tesla yesterday as well. And those plays look exactly like. You can see what we did yesterday. The day before that, you see what one member said there. Almost $2,000 week for me. Glad I joined. And yeah, you can pretty much see what we pretty much do here. And yeah, if the plays hit, cool. If they don't hit, I'll get stopped out, which is perfectly fine. Joined the VIP yesterday for the first time. Got a nice swing. Thank you. You can, shout out to all the members. And and it looks like, all these plays look exactly like. So even this POTR play from the other day, you can see the before, the after, literally the same. Look, I kid you not. So this was when? Friday, August 15th. So you saw that POTR play. They look exactly like. All of our plays that we post, exactly like. Obviously, I just tell the members what I'm looking for, what I'm looking at. so we know what to keep an eye on. And this was before market even opened. I told the members, yo, just keep an eye on this one. Looking to get in. We ended up getting that. Also, see what one member did on the Q's play. And yeah, I did end up posting that one too as well, right after market opened for the Q's. So yeah, wild. Dang, Microsoft ended up hitting that. Yeah, that was crazy. And yeah, you know, obviously there was one play that didn't work. But when the plays do work, you can see what we do. You can see what the other members ended up doing here. Like, let's see. Let's start here. This was just this morning. Shout out to Linda. Thank you guys. Beautiful trade. That was just one. You can see, hold on. Let's see. Where's that? Boom. Shout out to Sonia. From the school drop-off line. Crazy. So what? She made $3,000 just on that one play we had this morning. Told the team members right before open what we were looking for. I gave the setup what we were looking at. We ended up literally right after dropping. And you can see why we wait for our trades, what happens when we do wait. So yeah, we'll keep on going here. 1 second here, 1 second, 1 second. He said, when you enter. Yeah, that's crazy. Alright, so we'll keep going here. So, yeah, we went over Hamilton. We went over Microsoft, KMX. We did SPX. We did Netflix. Alright, so yeah, we did all those trades there. I do want to take a look at where SPY is and IWM. So, IWM. And yes, if you do want to join the Discord, honestly, you can join the free chat. See how you like it, you know. Or if you don't want to join, you don't have to. You know, my bad. But you can see results speak for itself. Yeah, we have a nice community here. I've been in VIP for a while now, and I can say for sure that the Discord is, and you can see also what other members are saying, not just what they're saying, but what we're doing, and it's wild. And yeah, honestly, don't even join the VIP Discord. Yeah, honestly, just join the free version. You can see, you know, see how we pretty much do things, and yeah, link is in the bio if you do want to join. If you don't want to, though, I'm on live every day. Alright, so anyway, SPY, let's take a look. IWM, very close. You're getting on my nerves. No, I'm kidding. So yeah, I do want to see if we can get that break. I've been waiting on this one for quite a while, so I wanted this yesterday, but, you know, not going to rush into anything. Obviously, we've been inside of consolidation this whole entire time. So, as for me, as for right now, what am I going to do? Absolutely nothing. I'm just going to wait. So, if we can get that nice breaking candle body closure underneath that wall there, I would love to see if we can get that empty space. Hold on 1 second here. So yeah, it looks, you know, looks good. It looks decent. But we are not anywhere near where we need to be. So maybe end of day, if we can break under it, we could potentially get under. But as for right now, yeah, I don't really see anything that I like there. All right, so that is on IWM. SPY pretty much ended up hitting there, and then we rejected. So yeah, we were what? We were like what, 3 cents away, 3 or 4 cents away from that first TP. We ended up rejecting, clearly close to that imbalance area. Do want to see what 24 minutes. Let's see if we can get that nice closure. So yeah, if we can get that close outside of it, doesn't look bad. Personally, I don't know. I might just wait to the end of the day for the swing entries. We did really good. Maybe I'll find one more trade for the Discord and I, but yeah, that's pretty much it. That's what I'm looking for. All right, so 1 second, 1 second. AMD, let me see. So yeah, we'll take a look there as well. So yeah, AMD pretty much same thing. And wow, that's that's wild. So I get it. You know, this box was this morning. Yeah, what? This box was pretty much the same exact play as the other plays. This one just looked a little bit more weird because I get it. There's a little bit more candles here. So it's like you have a box here, but there's candles still stuck outside of this box, which is overlapping. But I still saw that there was consolidation here. We're still going back and forth here. Obviously, green candle, so I'm still going to count that as the empty space. We ended up having that nice top wall there, nice bottom wall there. We broke under it, targeting into my first TP there. So no, I had this charted up, I had this ready, but no, I didn't even enter into this one. One second, guys. I'm chewing on some ice right now. So what, the daily? Yeah, let's go to the 24-hour. So yeah, if I did something on the daily though, this is what I would do. So yeah, same exact thing. I get it, we're nowhere close to it, but honestly, end of day, we have a nice little box here. I get it. This may take a couple days, or it could take even longer. Or, I mean, it could be today, but I don't see it happening today. Right under us, though, we do have this, empty space. So, yeah, you can see, clear push up, no consolidation. If we can get underneath that wall there, I don't see any resistance down to here, which honestly looks good. So, entry, exit, middle of the move. We have exactly what we want. So, yeah, right now, where are we? We're in, so yeah, just breaking it down one step at a time. So yeah, right now we're inside of this play right here. So we broke outside of this Potter box, ended up dropping down. So that's what I see there. So we're looking for the same exact play, whether if I'm on a 24-hour, the 4-hour, we look for the same exact play. As you can see, this is how we call it POTR. Empty space. 4-hour chart, doesn't matter, same play. End up getting in. We end up, doing very well on that. You can see Linda. Thank you guys. You can also see Let's see. 1 second here. Shout out to, the other member. Shout out to Robin. POTR there. One member ended up making $3,000 just off of that one little play there. So this was, you can see POTR. Sheesh. She made $3,000 just off of that one play that we had. You can see how we called it out. See also Tesla as well. And if the play works, cool. If the play doesn't work, that's fine too as well. How about Apple? Okay, yeah, Apple, and honestly, IWM looking pretty decent too. All right, yes, give me 1 second, guys. I will be right back. Gonna give me some more something to drink. So yes, if you do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. If you don't want to join, no worries at all. But yes, give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. So yes, please do your own research if you join the free chat, VIP chat, or if you're just in a live stream. So yes, not financial advice. But yes, I'll be right back. 1 second here. Yo, what's up, guys? I don't even, dude. I mean, it looks great, bro. It looks great. I do want to see if we can potentially get it. It doesn't look bad. Also, what? Yeah, it looks really good. Yeah, not bad at all. So yeah, what I can see, you know, right under us, yes, we do have, you know, the empty space. If I do get it, you know, it's going to be more of a lotto for me. Just for right now, just so if I can see if we can get that end of day push too. Just because, you know, we did really well, or at least I did really well on the trades here. Also, the members and I did great today. I can't even complain. Yo, Catherine, what's up? What's up? Yeah, it was a great morning. I can't complain. You can see, you know, what, you know, the ladies did in our Discord. One of them made $3,000 just off of that little play. You can see also, Def should size up more. POTR wasn't fantastic. Thanks. And yeah, if the plays hit, cool. If they don't hit, you know, that's perfectly fine. We just wait for our entries. You can see why we wait. You can also see what we did, not just today, but you can see what we did yesterday. RBLX. We had Tesla. See how we pretty much call out setups. See, you know, what one member did there. But yeah, today was a blessed day. So yeah, shout out Jesus, man. Like, I can't even fathom how, you know, wild this is, and, you know, seeing all the other people inside of, you know, the Discord, you know, going pretty wild. So you can see that one member there. Not just her. Shout out to Robin as well. POTR. Shout out to Danny as well. But yeah, you can see. Thank you guys. Yeah, so yeah, it was a beautiful day. I can't complain. Not at all. Alright, so yeah, Apple. Yeah, I'm still waiting on that. So it looks good. I do like that 24-hour close, but personally, yeah, I'm going to wait for that. So yeah, we'll have to see how everything for that plays out. Looks really, really good. But yes, guys and gals, I will be getting off now. We had an amazing day. We caught a lot of different trades here. I will be back end of day though. So yes, last hour for, you know, the last live stream. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys and gals do want to join the Discord, links in the bio. You can join the free chat or the VIP. Honestly, just join the free chat. See how you like it. Or don't. But yes, I'll be here pretty much every single day. So yes, last hour or last, what, 2 hours I'll be on live again. And yes, I will be in the Discord going over a whole bunch of entries, things of that sort. So yes, thank you all so much for tuning back in. I will see you all later. Have a blessed one, guys. In Jesus' name, amen. See you all soon.